Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about G6757 total quality management, uh, basic concept and benefits, characteristics, key elements, advantages and disadvantages of TQM, total quality management. Uh, Initially, what is meant by TQM? TQM means total quality management. Total means made up of the whole. Quality, degree of excellence a product or service provides. Then management, act, art or manner of planning, controlling, directing. Therefore, TQM is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. So, what is the TQM basic concept? Achieving the excellence. The concept of TQM, produce quality work the first time. Whatever made or make the product in the industry, as well as provide the service in the first time itself, quality product to be manufactured. Focus on the customer point of view. Third one, have a strategic approach to improvement. There is a continuous improvement, improve continuously. And last one, encourage mutual respect, both employees and employer, as well as uh, top level to list level of the employee. And the teamwork. Various definitions of TQM, total quality management, has been defined as an integrated organizational effort designed to improve quality at every level. In one point of view, TQM defined integrated organizational effort designed to improve quality at every level. The process to produce a perfect product by series of measures require an organized effort by the entire company to prevent or eliminate errors at every stage, each and every stage in production is called total quality management. According to ISO, International Organization for Standards, defines TQM is a management approach for an organization, for entire organization, centered on quality based on the participation of all its members and aiming at a long-term success, not a short-term, but a long-term success through customer satisfaction and a benefit to all members from top level to bottom of the organization and the society. The ISO definition for TQM, total quality management. What are the characteristics of TQM? The main characteristics of the TQM, total quality management, committed management. Initially, the management should commit the total quality management approach. Then only the employers, workers are involving concepts. Adapting and communicating about total quality management. Closer customer relations, the closer provider relations. Benchmarking and increased training, open organization, employee empowerment, flexible production, process improvement, and process measuring. These are all the characteristics of total quality management. First, initially top level management commitment, then adapting and communicating about TQM concept in the organization, closer customer relations, closer provider relations, suppliers relations, benchmarking, sets the benchmark, increase the training at all levels of the workers, open organization, employee empowerment, empowering the employee, flexible production, process improvement, continuous improvement, process measuring. These are all the various characteristics of total quality management. Traditional approach and total quality management. In various criteria, differentiate both the traditional approach as well as TQM. In quality element, a definition for traditional method, product oriented approach. In TQM, customer oriented. It's a major difference. Priorities, second to service and the cost. Priority for the traditional approach, and TQM first among equals and of service and cost. Decisions short term in the traditional approach concept. In TQM, long term approach. Emphasize deduction, the findings. Here is the prevention. Prevention is the better than cure. And next criteria, errors. Here operations. Here entire system of an organization or the service sector. Responsibility, only the quality control, each and every one of the organization. Problem solving, managers, here entire team of the organization. Manager role, plan, assign, control and enforce. Here delegate, in TQM, delegate, coach, facilitate and mentor. The three aspects of TQM: counting, customers and then cultures. What are the countings? Tools, techniques and training in their use for analyzing, understanding and solving quality problems. Customers, quality for the customer as a driving force and central concern. Culture, shared values and beliefs expressed by leaders, that define and support quality. These three aspects of TQM: counting, customers and cultures. Various principles of TQM produce quality work the first time and every time, from starting and into at the end of process. Produce quality work. Focus on the customer. Have a strategic approach to improvement. Improve continuously. Encourage mutual respect and teamwork. The key elements of the TQM: focus on the customer. What are the main focus? Customer. Employee involvement, each and everyone involving the organization. Continuous improvement. Focus on the customer. Here discuss one by one. First, focus on the customer. It is important to identify the organization customers. Second one, external customer consume the organization product or services. Third one, internal customers are employees who receive the output of their other employees. Internal customer, external customer focusing. Employee involvement. Since the quality is considered the job of all employees, employees would be involved in quality initiatives. Frontline employees are likely to have the closed contact with the external customer and thus can make the most valuable contribution to quality. So, backbone of the organization is the employee. Therefore, the employee must have the authority to innovate and improve quality. Then continuous improvement. There's a never ending process. Continuous improvement is a TQM approach. These are all the various concepts: quality improvement team, total participation, customer focus, systematic problem solving focus, statistical quality control, TQM mission for continuous improving. And continuous improvement, the guest for quality is never ending process in which the people are continuously working to improve the performance, speed and number of features of the product or services. Continuous improvement means that small incremental improvement that occurs each and every stage or every section that occurs on a regular basis will eventually add up to vast improvement in the total quality. TQM is the management process used to make continuous improvement to all functions. TQM represents ongoing continuous commitment to improvement. The foundation of total quality is the management philosophy that supports meeting customer requirement through continuous improvement. And continuous process improvement, we all work as process, production as well as business. Process, purchasing, design, invoicing, etc. Input, process, output. Input, process, output. Process improvement, increased customer satisfaction. Improvement 5 ways: reduces resources, reduces error, meet expectation of downstream customers, make process safer, make process more satisfying to the person doing. So at most reducing the resources, errors, reducing the errors, meeting the expectation of downstream customers, make process safer and make process more satisfying to the person doing. The TQM system objective continuous improvement principles, customer focus, process improvement, total involvement. Elements leadership, education and training. Leadership should highly qualified. Education and training, structure, support is structure, communication, reward and recognition to the employee, various measurements, that is appraisal. Benefits of TQM, improved quality, employee participation, quality improving, employee participation, teamwork, work relationship, customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, both internal and external customer satisfied, productivity improving, communicated, profitability of the management as well as employee, and increasing the market share. Advantages of TQM, improves reputation, faults and problems are spotted and started quicker, higher employee morale, workers motivated by extra responsibility, teamwork and involvement in decisions of TQM, lower cost, and decrease waste of fewer defective products and no need for separate. Finally, disadvantages of TQM, introduction cost, initial introduction cost, benefits may not be seen for several years, workers may be resistant to change. A model for organization management, TQM model, customer focus, planning process, process management, process improvement, total participation as the result. Models of TQM, total improvement teams, communication networks, tools and techniques, commitment, quality systems, participation culture, entire process. Benefits of total quality, benefits of total quality management, financial benefits including lower cost, higher returns on sales and investment, and the ability to change higher rather than competitive prices, improved access to global markets, higher customer retention level, time required to develop new innovations, and a reputation as a quality firm. Total quality management is a one such approach that seeks to improve quality and performance which will meet or exceed customer expectation. Thank you. Thank you all.